Imagine oceans teeming with colossal predators, creatures so vast and powerful that the Megalodon seems almost modest in comparison. These ancient oceans were not just vast expanses of water, but battlegrounds where the most gigantic and awe-inspiring creatures ever to inhabit our planet reigned supreme. Long before the age of dinosaurs, when the Earth was still shaping itself, the oceans were inhabited by magnificent and gigantic predators whose size and power dwarf even the likes of Megalodon. These ancient waters were not mere swimming spaces, but arenas where the most majestic creatures on our planet reigned supreme. One such giant was Dunkleosteus, a monstrous fish from the late Devonian period. Measuring up to 30 feet in length, its massive armored body and powerful jaws made it a top predator of its time. Dunkleosteus used bony plates instead of teeth to effortlessly crush its prey, a feature distinctively different from the sharks that would appear millions of years later. In the Jurassic period, the ocean witnessed the emergence of Liopleurodon, a marine reptile and a true behemoth stretching up to 25 meters long. Its enormous body and powerful jaws, filled with sharp teeth, struck terror in the hearts of other marine creatures. Liopleurodon's keen sense of smell allowed it to detect prey from great distances, making it an efficient and fearsome hunter. The Mesozoic era, known for its dinosaurs, was also a time of incredible marine diversity. It was during this era that some of the most formidable ocean predators ever to exist roamed the seas. The Mosasaurs were large marine reptiles, with some species reaching over 15 meters in length. These agile swimmers were skilled hunters, using their long, powerful bodies and sharp teeth to catch fish, turtles, and even other marine reptiles. Plesiosaurs, with their distinctive long necks and small heads, were another group of marine reptiles thriving during the Mesozoic era. Their unique body structure enabled them to ambush prey, swiftly striking with their long necks, while their paddle-like limbs provided stability and speed in the water. These ancient oceans teemed with a variety of incredible creatures, each uniquely adapted to thrive in the primordial seas. These magnificent beasts, from the armored Dunkleosteus to the serpentine Mosasaurs, not only tell a tale of evolution and survival, but also remind us of the rich and varied history of life on our planet, long before humans arrived to chronicle it. In the vast prehistoric oceans, a titan among fish roamed the depths. This was Dunkleosteus, a name that conjures images of an armored behemoth, a creature so formidable that it stood unchallenged in its reign. Living during the late Devonian period, approximately 358 to 382 million years ago, Dunkleosteus was not just a fish, it was a testament to the awe-inspiring diversity and adaptability of life in Earth's early waters. Measuring up to an incredible 30 feet in length, Dunkleosteus was a giant, even by today's standards. What set it apart was not just its size, but its remarkable anatomy. Encased in a natural armor of bony plates, it was a prehistoric fortress swimming in the ocean. These plates not only provided protection, but also gave Dunkleosteus a terrifying appearance, a necessary attribute in the harsh world it inhabited. However, it was the jaws of Dunkleosteus that truly distinguished it. Unlike modern sharks and fish, Dunkleosteus didn't have conventional teeth. Instead, it had evolved sharp, bony plates that functioned as blades. These plates could snap shut with incredible speed and force, estimated to be one of the most powerful bites of any fish. Its bite was so strong that it could easily sever through the hard armor of its prey, crushing bones and shells with ease. Dunkleosteus's diet likely included smaller fish, arthropods, and even other placoderms. Its ability to exert such force meant that it could tackle a variety of prey, dominating the food chain of its time. Scientists believe that its jaw structure allowed for a wide gape, enabling it to suck and prey in a manner similar to modern-day bony fish and sharks. Despite its fearsome nature, Dunkleosteus remains a subject of fascination and mystery. It's a window into a time when life in the ocean was wildly different from today. This armored titan represents not just the brutality of prehistoric marine life, but also the incredible journey of evolutionary development. The story of Dunkleosteus is one of survival, adaptation, and the unyielding march of life through Earth's ancient history. In the middle of the Jurassic period, a colossal predator patrolled the ancient seas, a creature so immense and formidable that it dominated the marine landscapes of its time. This was Liopleurodon, a true Leviathan of the prehistoric oceans, whose very name evokes a sense of awe and ancient power. Roaming the oceans about 160 million years ago, Liopleurodon was more than just a marine reptile, it was a symbol of the untamed and mysterious world that existed long before humans. Liopleurodon, with an estimated length of up to 25 meters, was a giant among the marine predators. Its size alone was enough to intimidate the other creatures of the deep. But it was not just its size that made Liopleurodon a feared predator, it was also its incredible physical attributes. Its massive body was supported by strong, paddle-like limbs, making it an excellent swimmer, both agile and powerful. The most striking feature of Liopleurodon was its skull, which was enormous and equipped with rows of sharp conical teeth, perfect for piercing and gripping its prey. These teeth, some reaching up to 10 centimeters in length, were an essential tool for its hunting strategy. Liopleurodon's jaws were capable of delivering a devastating bite, allowing it to tackle large and armored prey with ease. Liopleurodon's senses were finely tuned for hunting. It had an exceptional sense of smell, which it likely used to track prey over long distances. This ability, combined with its size and strength, made it one of the apex predators of its time, capable of hunting a wide range of prey, including fish, cephalopods, and even other marine reptiles. Despite its fearsome reputation, Liopleurodon's life in the Jurassic seas remains shrouded in mystery. It represents a period in Earth's history when the marine ecosystem was rich and varied, filled with creatures that challenge our understanding of life and evolution. Liopleurodon stands as a testament to the incredible biodiversity of the prehistoric oceans and the evolutionary marvels that inhabited them. The Mesozoic era, an age marked by the reign of dinosaurs on land, was equally a period of extraordinary diversity and evolution in the marine world. Spanning about 180 million years, this era witnessed a rise and fall of some of the most remarkable and diverse marine creatures that have ever existed. The seas of the Mesozoic were not just vast expanses of blue, but dynamic and rich ecosystems teeming with life, where evolution played out in its most creative forms. During this time, the marine habitats were filled with a fascinating array of creatures, each uniquely adapted to their environment. The oceans were home to a variety of marine reptiles, which included the likes of the mighty Mosasaurs and the elegant Plesiosaurs. These reptiles were not mere inhabitants of the Mesozoic seas, but were among the apex predators, shaping the marine food webs and ecosystems. Mosasaurs, emerging in the late Cretaceous, were formidable marine predators. These large reptiles, reaching lengths of up to 18 meters, were the rulers of their domain. They had streamlined bodies, making them efficient swimmers, and jaws equipped with rows of sharp teeth, ideal for seizing a wide range of prey, from fish to smaller marine reptiles. Their limbs, evolved into powerful flippers, allowed them to navigate the ancient seas with ease, making them one of the most dominant predators of their time. Plesiosaurs, another significant group of marine reptiles, thrived throughout the Mesozoic era. Characterized by their long necks and small heads, plesiosaurs were likely ambush predators, using their unique body structure to sneak up on unsuspecting prey. Their large, paddle-like flippers enabled them to move gracefully through the water, while their elongated necks allowed for a sudden and swift attack on their prey. The Mesozoic seas were also home to a plethora of other marine life forms, including various species of fish, cephalopods, and invertebrates. This era saw the evolution and diversification of many marine species, a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of life on Earth. The end of the Mesozoic era brought significant changes to the marine ecosystems. The mass extinction event that marked the end of the Cretaceous period led to the disappearance of many of these magnificent marine creatures. However, their legacy lives on, not just in the fossil record, but in the way they have shaped our understanding of marine life and evolution. The Mesozoic era stands as a vivid chapter in the history of our planet, a time when the oceans were a cradle of life, diversity, and evolutionary marvels. In the vast and diverse marine ecosystems of the late Cretaceous period, a group of formidable predators emerged as the dominant force in the oceans. These were the Mosasaurs, serpentine rulers whose presence marked a significant chapter in the history of marine life. Mosasaurs were not mere creatures of the deep, They were the epitome of evolutionary success, showcasing adaptations that made them unrivaled in their habitat. Mosasaurs were large marine reptiles, some species stretching over 15 meters in length, making them among the largest predators in the marine world at the time. Their long, streamlined bodies, reminiscent of modern-day whales and sharks, were perfectly adapted for life in the open ocean. These reptiles possessed powerful tails, which provided them with propulsion and speed, making them agile and formidable hunters. The anatomy of mosasaurs was a marvel of natural engineering. Their limbs had evolved into strong, paddle-like flippers, enabling them to maneuver with ease and grace in their aquatic environment. This adaptation allowed them to chase down a wide range of prey, from fish and cephalopods to smaller marine reptiles. Their jaws were equipped with rows of sharp teeth, capable of delivering a lethal bite to their prey, and their flexible skull enabled them to swallow large prey whole. Mosasaurs were apex predators, at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. Their presence in the oceans played a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine life. As predators, they helped regulate the populations of other marine creatures, ensuring a healthy and dynamic ecosystem. The dominance of mosasaurs in the ancient seas is a testament to their adaptability and resilience. These creatures thrived in a world undergoing constant change, adapting to new challenges and opportunities. Their reign in the oceans was a period marked by an explosion of marine life diversity, where evolutionary forces were at their most dynamic. The legacy of mosasaurs extends beyond their reign in the ancient seas. These magnificent creatures have captivated the imagination of scientists and the public alike, offering a glimpse into a world vastly different from our own. Their fossils provide valuable insights into the evolution of marine reptiles and the ecosystems they inhabited. Mosasaurs stand as a symbol of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth, a reminder of the ever-changing nature of our planet's history. During the Mesozoic era, a group of marine reptiles known as Plesiosaurs carved out a unique niche in the prehistoric oceans. These long-necked hunters were a marvel of evolutionary adaptation, thriving in a world dominated by gigantic predators and fierce competition. The Plesiosaurs were not just another inhabitant of the Mesozoic seas, they were a testament to the incredible diversity of life that flourished during this period. Plesiosaurs were characterized by their distinct body structure, which set them apart from other marine reptiles of their time. They possessed elongated necks, sometimes comprising nearly half their body length, topped with small heads. This unique anatomy was not just for display, it played a crucial role in their hunting strategy. The long necks allowed plesiosaurs to be stealthy hunters, reaching out to snap up fish and other small marine animals with surprising speed and agility. Their bodies were supported by 4 large, paddle-like flippers, an adaptation that made them powerful swimmers. This limb structure enabled them to move through the water with a graceful, flying motion, allowing them to maneuver with ease in pursuit of prey or when evading predators. The design of their flippers suggests that plesiosaurs could have been capable of very quick bursts of speed, making them adept at ambush hunting. The diet of plesiosaurs likely consisted of a variety of marine life. Their pointed teeth were perfect for gripping slippery fish, and their flexible necks could dart out quickly to snatch unsuspecting prey. They may have also fed on cephalopods and small marine reptiles, showcasing their versatility as predators. Plesiosaurs inhabited a wide range of marine environments, from nearshore waters to the open ocean, indicating their adaptability to different ecological niches. This adaptability, combined with their unique hunting technique, made them one of the most successful marine reptiles of their time. The legacy of plesiosaurs extends far beyond their reign in the Mesozoic seas. They captivate the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike, providing a window into a world that was both alien and fascinating. Their fossils have been found all over the world, evidence of their widespread distribution and success as a species. Plesiosaurs, with their unique form and lifestyle, remind us of the incredible evolutionary journeys that life on Earth has undergone, shaping the history of our planet's diverse and vibrant ecosystems. The prehistoric oceans were filled with a variety of incredible creatures, each uniquely adapted to thrive in the ancient seas. These magnificent beasts, from the armored Dunkleosteus to the serpentine mosasaurs, not only tell a story of evolution and survival, but also remind us of the rich and varied history of life on our planet long before humans arrived to chronicle it.